Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Ethan. Today I will introduce a USB cable. USB cable you can see for HW12 smartwatch, HW16 and HW21 smartwatch. Yes, as you can see, this is the smartwatch HW12. Yes. This is the smartwatch HW16. Yes. And this is smartwatch HW21. Yes. And this is the USB cable that I will introduce for you today. Okay. You can see the packaging is very simple. Yes. But it is very useful. Okay, let me open it. Yes, this USB cable. You can see this USB cable is 2-pin and magnetical. Yes, 2-pin magnetical. Yes, the length about 60 centimeter. Yes, you can see. Okay, let me show you one by one. The first watch HW12 smartwatch. You can see. Okay, let me show you. Okay. Yes. Very strong magnetic. Let me charge for you. Yes, it is charging. Okay, the second one. HW16 smartwatch. Okay. Let me charge. Okay, it is charging. I will see. Yes. Okay, next smartwatch. Okay, HW21 smartwatch. You can see charging. Okay, good. Today I introduce one USB cable for HW12, HW16, HW21 smartwatch. If you want this USB cable for your smartwatch, you can click our Amazon link to buy it. Thank you so much.